In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana and Jira. This process will take just about 5 minutes, so let's jump right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Asana's website. Once you're there, if you haven't already logged in, you'll need to do so. Start by entering your email address in the designated field on the Asana login page. Once you've entered your email, go ahead and click on the Continue button to proceed. Next up, you'll need to provide your password. This is crucial to access your Asana account and make the necessary changes. After typing in your password, click the Login button. This will take you to your Asana homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already. From here, you'll want to navigate to the specific project where you wish to link Jira. Click on the project title to open it. Once inside the project, look towards the right side of the screen and locate the Customize button. Clicking this will open up additional configuration options for your project. Under the Customize menu, you'll see an Apps section. Click on Apps to view the integrations available for Asana. In this list, look for the option labeled Add and click on it. Then find Jira Cloud. This is the integration we're aiming for today. Click on Jira Cloud and then select Add to Project. This action will initiate the process of linking Asana with Jira. To complete the linkage, you'll need to connect to Jira Cloud. A window will prompt you to connect to Jira Cloud. Click on this link and you'll be redirected to a permission screen where you must allow access for the integration to function properly. Here you must click on Allow Permission to move forward. The final step will have you logging into your Atlassian account. Once you hit this part of the process, you'll need to enter your Atlassian credentials to proceed. After logging in, simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. These prompts will guide you through any remaining steps to ensure your Asana and Jira accounts are successfully linked. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can enhance your project management workflow by connecting Asana to Jira. This integration allows for seamless task tracking and management across platforms, providing more efficient collaboration and oversight. Thanks for tuning in and happy integrating.